Hi everyone, thank you for coming and watching this makeup tutorial. Today I will be doing a pink cut crease using the Lisa Frank Morph palette that just came out. I got the tiger one and just my regular makeup with an extra eyeshadow. Let's start. So I always start with my eyebrows and I like to use the Anastasia Ebony pomade, and you're going to need an angled brush. You're going to grab your product. I always start from the middle of my bottom eyebrows. Sometimes I go a little bit further, as you will see soon. You're going to start, you're going to draw your line. You're going to outline it, like when you color. You outline it, get the shape you want, follow the shape of your eyebrow. I follow the shape of my eyebrows. You can look like that, okay? Then you're going to fill it in as dark as you want. I always use a black eyeshadow afterwards, but that's later. You'll see. Once you get to the inside or the outside right there, you're gonna use strokes to make it look like fake hair. And then we're gonna do the next one, and we're gonna do the same thing just on the other side. You want to have them be twins, but they're not twins, so they're gonna look a little different, and that's okay. I'm doing the same thing here, filling it out. I really like to do the little corner there. Nice, beautiful. Next, we're gonna do our primer. We're gonna prime our eyes with the Morph Eye Primer. I use my hand and just rub it all over. There's the palette. Oh, beautiful, beautiful palette. We're using that color. I think it's Puppy Love. I use my finger and I go boop, 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 boop. Yep. Patting it on. Pat, 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 pat. And then we're going to blend it using that brush also from the collection. Any brush that's that shape will do. You don't need to spend a lot of money on brushes. You can even use brushes from like painting. You just got to make sure it's like a little fluffy and doesn't fall apart. Next, we're going in with this color right there, and we're going to use that to blend out. Take your time with your blend. I took a while blending this, but it's fast forwarded, so it's at a faster speed than what I took. Take your time blending. It's like painting and coloring. You want to really blend it well. If you don't blend it well, it's going to look weird. It's going to look not flowy. Then I'm going in with this light shade. I believe this is concealer, but yeah, it is concealer. And I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye, like when you close your eye. I'm actually gonna go a little bit further out. And I'm gonna do that. Then actually made it too far, but I was able to fix it later on. I'm talking to my mom, that's why my mouth is moving. Andamos en el chisme. Alright, so I'm using my hand to spread that. You can use a brush. I use my hand, it's faster. My finger. And I'm making it a little bit wider. Me pasé right there. Okay, and I'm going in with the shimmer. Any shimmer you want will work. I'm using this. I was going to use the other one, but I went with the lighter one. It's really light. It's like a pink, really light. Okay, you're going to pack that on. You want to use a flat brush for this part. Also, if you got too much product, just tap it on your table or on your hand. I'm going back with the first color we went with, Puppy Love, and I'm blending the outer corners in so it looks a little more flowy. Then I'm going to use this fluffy brush to blend it in. It's very important you blend it all in, guys. It's like painting. You want it to flow. Then I'm going to go in with this palette, and I'm using this dark pink that's shimmery. Kind of matches Puppy Love. I'm going to put it in the middle because I want it to blend nicely. And me pasé. I put too much of the light pink, so I had to put this one in to blend it. There's my son. Mi amorcito. Okay? Then we're going to go in with eyeliner. I'll do another video on how I do my eyeliner because I know a lot of people have a hard time. And they're never exactly the same, but you can't even tell. So don't worry about it, guys. It's gonna look fine as long as it's not like super different. This is me doing it. I used to do it really thin, but now I've been into the thick eyeliner and I really wing it out. It looks good. It looks good. And yep, for the other eye. There's a lot going on in my kitchen, people. My mom made food. It was delicious. The leftover turkey I made, she made it into like birria style. It was delicious. Tomorrow, a la dieta. Okay, now I'm going in with my foundation. This is BB cream, but that's what I use for foundation. You're gonna blop it, blop, blop, blop. It's actually way cheaper than regular foundation. This is $10. You can find it at Walgreens. This is shade 130. It's a little darker. They have a lighter shade too. And I use my hand, then I use a brush. And then you're gonna just spread it everywhere, all over your face. Blend it good. Make sure you don't miss any spots. You don't want to be the people that we see in the street that are missing a spot and you're like, le faltó ahí. Okay, keep doing that. Don't forget your neck. Ladies, don't forget your neck. Do your neck. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer to lighten up my under eyes. This is the Tarte one. And I'm going to use my finger to bit it over. You don't need a lot. It's a little bit, but it goes a long way, as you will see. It spreads very well. And I use my finger as well to put it down my nose. I don't know about you ladies, but my nose is not perfect. I have a bump and it's slightly crooked, pero we will fix it to make it look nicer. And it's very important to get it straight down the middle. I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and you're going to tap, 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 and blend away. Blending it. And then from here, whatever I have left over, I go down my nose. I go up to my forehead and my chin. My chinny chin. Then I'm going to go in with this setting powder. This is the bomb. It's from Walmart. It's $5. Super cheap. Does a great job. Lasts forever. It's massive. You're going to put that all over. I really do in the corner like of my nose. It works best for me. You just got to figure out what works best for your skin. I'm like a mix of skin, not oily, not dry. It's like in the middle. I do that. I'm going to go down my nose. I'm going to get a fluffy brush. I brush it out right away. I don't leave it baking for super long. I don't like that. But it's whatever you want. You know, brush it, brush. Then I'm going to go into contour. Normally I use a cream, but my cream ran out. And we're going to use those two colors. This is what I used to use, but se me acabó, so I need to go buy a new one. So we're just going to do what we have. And you're going to contour yourself. Make sure you get your forehead, your chin. The bottom, I use a darker color, okay? This is to hide your double chin, so no one knows that you have a double chin but you when you're at home. You're going to put that there. You're going to outline the bottom of your chin. Really get it good and blend. You want it to blend out evenly, not just a harsh line. You want it nice. Okay? You're gonna do that. Go Liz. Mírame. Don't forget all that. I like to pull my hair back because I have hella baby hairs, guys. Then you're gonna go in with your bronzer. And you're gonna put a little bit on your cheeks right there. Contour. I'm gonna do my nose contour. I believe I do that next. We will see. I don't remember. Yep. All right, here we go. I get a little brush. Same colors that I use on my cheeks. I'm gonna go straight down. This is important if you have a crooked nose or a chueca nose like me. Okay? You're gonna you want to make it tiny, okay? So you're gonna try to make the middle as tiny as you can. And if you have a bump, try not to focus on the bump when you put the I forgot the brown powder. I forgot what it's called. And you're gonna blend it out. I have a fluffy brush here, and I'm blending it out. And then once you put your highlight in, yeah, see that? You wanna blend it out. Don't forget the line in the middle. You gotta blend that out too. And my baby, she needed something. I have 2 kids, guys. Same brush that I used to contour, I'm using to blend everything out. Blend, 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 blend. I go back and forth. Then you're gonna put on your blush. Smile when you do this. As you can see, I am making a weird face that makes my cheeks go up. But when I smile, that's the face I make. So, and then I'm gonna sharpen that with the baking powder, just to really make that line sharper. And then you're gonna get your same brush that you used to take it off earlier, and you're gonna brush it off. You don't want it there too long. Oh, you put a little foundation powder on that. Use the Maybelline powder. Go back with the same brush that we contoured and blend it so it's not too harsh, but you can tell. Next, we are gonna get the pink Puppy Love and put it under our eyes. I did this super late because I almost forgot to do it. You don't have to do it, but it really makes it look nicer and flow better. And just blend it. Use a little fluffy brush, but it's a little denser packed, so it doesn't super blend out. Then we're gonna enchinar las pestañas. You're gonna curl your eyelashes. Boop. Mascara. This is better than Sex Mascara. It's the little one to go. I like it. But I'm too cheap to buy the big one, so this is the one I have. And you're going to do bottom. Your bottom lashes. Boop, 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 boop. Hermosa. Then you're going to put your setting spray. This is my first time using this one. I don't really like it. I like the black one or the Jeffree one that's pink. We're going to get this little highlight. I use this fluffy brush. Pack it on, ladies. Make sure your face is wet when you do this. The wetness really makes it shine. I always go over it with my hand and blend it out more with my hand. On my top of my little lip. Some on top of my eyeshadow. On my forehead. On the tip of my nose. And then when I go down my nose, I actually use a very thin that paintbrush. And I go straight down. This helps with my crooked nose, guys. It helps a lot. And you're gonna use your finger. Don't press down too hard. You will move the makeup. Bam. It's tiny. It works. It does the job. It's amazing. There's my hand. Do 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 do. Hi, Bubble. My dog just came in, guys. All right. Next, we are gonna. What are we gonna do? Look. Okay. Inside your eye, you're gonna put eyeliner. Okay, this kind of hurts. Not a lot though. I'm used to it. Then the inside, I do the other eye off camera. I kind of got it dirty. Like I got some inside my eyeshadow, but I fixed it. All right. Then my little heart that I like to put on my face because I like it. It looks great. I just use the same eyeliner, Milani, that I use, the 17-hour wear. You make a heart. You can make a star. You can make a letter, whatever you want to do. You just put it on your face. Do it after your highlighter, or else it will not be as pigmented. Okay. Qué hermosa, mira. Okay, now we're putting eyelash glue on our eyelashes. This is the Marquez eyelashes that they sell at Target. They come in a pack of 4, I believe. I like to put glue on top of my eyeliner, just a tiny amount. This will keep them on forever. You can go roller skating, roller coaster riding, and they will not come off. Once it's a little tacky, I put them on. Some people like to use tweezers. I just use my hand. It works the same. Next eye, let's go. And we're putting it on. Ahí va. Ay, qué bueno, mírala. Se sabe poner pestañas. This takes practice, guys. Okay? If you have a hard time putting on eyelashes, just practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Remember that. You'll get better. It'll get easier. And you'll look gorgeous with your beautiful self. All right, after this, well, what are you doing? After this, we are going to put a little bit more mascara. I like to squeeze my lashes with the falsies, but you don't always have to do that. It depends. It's your preference. You don't have to do all these things. You got to just do what works for you. Sometimes, some days you do more, sometimes you do less. There we go. This is me going back with the black eyeshadow on any palette, doesn't matter. I like to darken my eyebrows. I like them darker. I like intense eyebrows, guys. Sometimes I do a more natural look, but I like them dark. My mom. Alright. And then you can go over this with, it's like a eyebrow gel, but I didn't because I couldn't find it. One more time with the highlight. I really like highlighting my nose. I love it. Alright, guys. That seems like, ya mero acabamos. Oh yeah, lipstick. This is Milani's 130. I forgot the name. I'll put a link, or I'll put everything that I used in the description box. I'm just gonna outline my lips how they normally are. Fun fact, my lips are weird and one side is thicker than the other because when I was a kid, and then you smack them. When I was a kid, I bit a vein and they took a chunk of my lip off. I'm telling my mom here. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Put more spray on so it lasts all day. Oh, mírala. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Qué feo te pintaste.
¿Por qué?
¿Así?
Ya. ¿Por qué? ¿No te gusta? Es rosita.
Otra vez te pintas más bonito.
¿Qué no te gusta?
No, son los modelos así, nueva moda.
¿Qué no te gusta?
No, pues el color así.
¿El
bueno,
rosita?
cuando te pones rosita, bueno. Sí.
Ya.
Y las pestañas, ¿no?
No, primero me va a poner mi maquillaje. Nomás me hice los ojos.
A few moments later.
Ya con tus pestañas se te ven bonitas. ¿No te pones abajo?
No me pongo abajo. Es que no, todo junto es un proceso, ma. Ya.
Yo, mira, ni tengo labio. De eso ni me los pinto porque tengo... Sí.
¿Te inyectas los labios? Ahora se los andan inyectando. ¡Ay, no! Yo le digo, si me inyecto aquí.
Quería que le hicieran más grande, no sé qué, aquí o aquí.
O le pusieron
no,
fillers.
algo le inyectaron y mira, luego se le hicieron así bien feos, bolas.